Now come the traffic sign, stop.
Okay.
But where do you stop? Not here. Here is wrong. You stopped here on a zebra crossing.
Yeah, here.
That's wrong. Where do you stop? Not pump the
Actually,
brake.
before that or
No, not before. On a stop sign, you stop on a line or two kinds. A line, a white stripe on the ground,
that
the
is
stop line.
which is not there. Which is not
It's
here.
not there.
Yeah, that's why I'm looking
Can
that
you
line.
go a little bit forward, please? You
Okay.
you blocked the zebra crossing.
Yeah.
So, and the other thing is you stop by stop sign is the position where you can see the traffic.
Okay.
Is this a position where you can see the traffic? No.
No.
Okay, then go a little bit further. Sichtlinie, Leo, ganz genau. So. Is this a position where you can see the traffic?
No.
No, not really. Then come a little bit further.
Yeah,
Is this a position?
yeah.
And then now you can stop. No, you have to stop.
Okay.
And then it's maybe a little bit helpful. Say something. Count 21, 22, stop, and then count 21, 22, and then look.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, sure.
And nobody there, then you can drive. Stay in your line. Someone is coming. And accelerate it down, please. Yeah, and right. Yep. Cool. Sichtlinie. Genau. English no bad. So, now we are stopped here on the red light.
Yeah.
And after that, we want to turn right. Stay in your line. No flying your line. Calm down. Come here. And go, please. Streets.
Straight.
These streets.
Okay.
What do you want?
No, I need to go straight, right?
Yeah, then come on.
Yeah.
And the next street, we want to turn right. Street,
Straight.
not parking place.
Okay.
Let them go. Not parking place. We drive streets, no?
Okay. One-way street, Einbahnstraße as well?
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
There's are streets, no?
Yeah.
Okay, and then go.